Do not do this when riding in the rain, guys. So, itong rider na naka ADV 160, pinatay niya yung traction control niya on a very, very rainy day. Kita nga natin how bad is the road condition, 'di ba? Tingnan niyo 'yan, no? Grabe. Very, very wet, very, very dangerous road condition. So, ginawa niya yun to make a point na hindi mahina ang ADV sa ahunan. No? So side note lang, as an ADV 160 owner myself, this post is giving small PP energy. Like, bakit kailangan mo i-prove sa lahat na the best o malakas ang scooter mo? To me, it's just giving fragile masculinity, fragile ego vibes. But anyway, public service announcement, you should not, oh, by the way, maganda yung setup niya, no? Touring, no? Dami mga side painters, top box, pero not my taste exactly. Pero anyway, public service announcement, you should not turn off your traction control, especially in rainy conditions. Look at that. In rainy condition, guys. Tingnan mo, napaka-rainy, oh. Tapos papatay mo yung traction control. Lalo na if hindi ka naman expert sa drifting, sa pagsaslide ng motor. Kung hindi ka naman expert rider, wag mong patayin ng traction control mo when you're riding in the rain. And the worst part dito sa scenario na to, kasama pa ni rider ang OBR niya. Which is, to me, crazy. No? Bro, like, kung gusto mo mag-stunt or if you're planning to turn off safety features sa motor mo, might as well do it alone na lang. Like, why would anyone risk their OBR just for clout? Like, oh my gosh. So, anyway, first of all, ano nga ba ang traction control sa motor? So, ngayon, sabihin natin ngayon, ito yung motor mo. Tana, pangit ang drawing ko, no? Okay. So, ito yung motor, tapos ito yung road. Okay. This is the road. Tapos, itong point of contact ng gulong sa road, so this part here, ito yung pinaka point of contact ng gulong natin sa road. This is what we call the contact patch. Itong contact patch ito yung pinaka parte ng gulong na nagtatouch sa road, right? At dahil dyan, nagkakaroon ng grip o traction ang gulong natin. Grip, traction, or in Tagalog, kapit. If I'm correct, kapit. Yan. So, ang goal natin naman ngayon when we ride is to preserve as much grip o traction o kapit ng gulong as much as possible, 'di ba? Kasi yun yung pinaka-safe eh. So, ngayon, what if you drive over dirt? No, what if may mga dirt dyan o gravel, yung mga debris, and especially water kasi 'di ba yun yung nakita natin sa video, very, very grabe, very watery road, watery, very wet yung road, raining very hard, 'di ba? Yan. So, tingin nyo, mabawasan ba or madagdagan ba ng grip o traction ng gulong natin pag may mga debris na to? Yeah. What do you think? Siyempre, mabawasan tayo ng traction, di ba? So, we have lesser traction because of those debris sa road. At dyan natin experience ang slide, skid, or yung feeling na hindi na kumakapit yung gulong. Sure ako naranasan niya yan, guys. Kasi ang nangyayari dyan, pag nag-lose traction yung gulong, magsispin yung rear wheel natin. Magsispin yan. And dyan nangyayari ang semplang. Kasi, pag nagsispin yung wheel, wala nang kapit yung rear wheel natin, then we lose balance. Tapos, we crash. No? So, ngayon, saan papapasok si traction control? So, si traction control, ang gagawin niya is puputulin yung power na pumupunta sa rear wheel until yung speed ng rear wheel natin o yung bilis ng ikot ng gulong sa likod is magmamatch sa speed ng ikot ng gulong sa harap. So, yan, simpleng explanation talaga ng traction control. Yan naman, pinaka-simple, napaka-simple ng concept ng traction control. So ngayon, basahin natin ang comment ni Koya. No? So, in-off niya dahil sobrang tarik ng daan at maboto pa. Kita naman sa video. Tapos, i-on po, HSTC. E di ikaw na nahirapan sa pa-on. Okay, so mukhang hindi niya gets yung function ng traction control. And this is concerning, guys. Kasi, this is the reason why I'm making this video kasi, he's a considerably big influencer on TikTok. Maraming nag-watch ng content niya. And baka marami rin ma-misinform. So, I'm not bashing, but I'm just educating everyone. Guys, turning off traction control does not magically mean na nag-add ka ng power or torque. Okay? It has nothing to do with sa mga ahonan o steep roads, but it has everything to do with controlling traction and preventing slides. Excluding na natin yung off-road kasi ibang topic na yung off-road eh. Kasi sa off-road, you're almost always breaking traction. Pero ibang usapan na yan. So, yun lang. Off TC in rain, does not equal to more power and torque, but it is equal to more danger. Napakadelikado nun. So, yun lang. Stay safe, guys. Huwag niyong patayin ang traction control nyo. Lalo na ngayon, it's really, really rainy season. So, yun lang. Ingat.